Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just going to show you everything that you need for this tutorial first. So the first is the silicone mat, and the second is some dish detergent. This is going to really get all the grease and gunk out of the brushes. The next is some shampoo. I've just got this clear shampoo here that has no color in it. And then the last thing is coconut oil. And this is going to condition the bristles. You're going to need a bowl to mix all of these ingredients together. So first is the detergent. Just pour about 2 spoons worth into a bowl. Next thing we're going to add is the shampoo. I just do a couple pumps of this, probably about half the amount of the detergent in there. And then the last is the coconut oil. So I just have a little spoon in my jar. I did just about a teaspoon of coconut oil in the bowl. And then once everything's in there, you're just going to mix everything up really well so it's all blended together. I love the color that this turned out. It's such a beautiful pink color. And that's probably thanks to my dish detergent. All right, so this is one of my brushes. It's a stippling brush. I'm just gonna wet the brush, and then I'm gonna dip the brush into the solution that we just made, and I'm gonna start scrubbing on the silicone pad. And then I'm gonna rinse the brush, and as you can see, all the makeup is coming out. And there you have the before and after. I'm going to show you with a bit of a denser brush as well, because this probably has more product packed in it. So same thing, we're just going to wet the brush, dunk it in the solution, and then give it a good scrub on the silicone pad. As you can see, I'm really saturating the brush in the solution. Do you guys see all that makeup coming out? That is all makeup that's been trapped between those bristles because this brush is really dense. There's so much that gets caught in between there. I'm going to go in for a second time, and there's still more coming out. So once you're done scrubbing, just rinse the brush under the tap, and you're going to get all the excess out that's in there. So I just ran it over a towel because this one's really dense. And there you have the before and after. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is a beauty blender. I know these are really hard to wash, but we're going to do the exact same thing. So we're going to wet the beauty blender, squeeze it a couple of times just how you would when you're going to use it for your makeup. And then I want you to roll it around in the solution. I would recommend doing this last because it really absorbs all the solution and you won't have any left for other brushes. So this one, you're going to do more of a kneading motion on the silicone mat. Try not to scrub back and forth too much because it can damage the sponge. But if you just knead the sponge into the silicone mat, it'll get all the makeup out. And then to rinse it, you're going to do the same thing. So just hold it under the water and keep squeezing all the excess water out, and you'll see a ton of makeup come out. And there you have the before and after. So remember guys, you can use these tips for any of your brushes. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe and ring the notification bell if you want to see more.